Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to use the left function in Excel. Here I have different types of data in column A. In A1, I have the word subscribe. In A2, I have subscribe with spaces between each character. In A3, I have numbers from 1 to 9. In A4, I have numbers with spaces. In A5, I have a decimal number 12.34. Step 1, write the left function. Now in cell B1, type equals left. The left function is used to extract a specific number of characters from the left side of a text or number. Step 2, select cell and define characters. Now select A1, then type a comma. Next, enter the number of characters you want to extract. For example, I will type 3. Remember, spaces are also counted as characters. Now close the bracket and press enter. You will get sub in cell B1. Step 3, apply to other cells. Now go to the bottom right corner of cell B1. Click and drag down to copy the formula to the other cells. Result explanation. Now observe the results. In B2, it shows characters with spaces included. In B3, it returns 123. In B4, it returns 1 space 2 because spaces are counted. In B5, it returns 12, including the decimal point. This happens because we specified 3 characters, and Excel counts letters, numbers, spaces, and symbols, all as characters. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching, and subscribe.